If you're experiencing account sync issues in Minecraft, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause sync issues. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network if necessary. Step 2. Update Minecraft. Make sure you are using the latest version of Minecraft. Check for updates in your game launcher or app store and install any available updates. This can fix bugs and improve account synchronization. Step 3. Log out and log back in. Log out of your Minecraft account and then log back in. This can refresh your account session and resolve any temporary sync problems. Make sure to enter your credentials correctly. Step 4. Clear cache and data. If you are using a mobile device or console, clear the cache and data for the Minecraft app. This can help eliminate any corrupted files that may be causing sync issues. Be cautious as this may reset some settings. Step 5. Contact support. If the problem persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Minecraft support for further assistance. Provide them with details about your issue, including any error messages you may have encountered. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your account sync issues in Minecraft. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from the community or support team.